Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious coconut tres leche cake that I know you guys are really going to love. The holidays are here. Let's enjoy our loved ones with this delicious coconut tres leches cake. So let's get started. This tres leche coconut cake, these are the ingredients. I have salt, baking powder, baking soda, coconut extract, vegetable oil, room temperature eggs, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, 1 evaporated milk, 1 condensed milk, and 1 cream milk. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious Tres Leches coconut cake that I know you guys are going to love. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start with the 4 room temperature eggs. The eggs need to be at room temperature so that your cake really comes out fluffy and moist. And now I added the vegetable oil. I am going to incorporate it really good until it's nice and smooth. Once this is incorporated, I'm going to add the dry ingredients, which is the sugar, the all-purpose flour, the baking soda, baking powder, salt. And once you sift everything in here, now we are going to incorporate it. We are going to add 1/2 cup of regular milk. And we are going to whisk away until it's nice and smooth and there is no lumps of the mixture. And of course, don't forget to add the coconut extract. This is going to be really creamy. The flavor of the coconut extract is really going to give you such an amazing taste to your tres leches cake. Incorporate the coconut extract, and once this is done, now we are ready to get our baking dish ready. Of course, you guys already have this non-stick baking cream on my channel. It's a homemade non-stick baking cream that I know you guys are really going to love to bake pancakes, bake your cakes, you name it. Nothing is going to stick. Once this is done, we are going to incorporate the batter. I have already preheated the oven to 325 Fahrenheit. It's going to go in the oven for 35 minutes. And now I have my heavy whipping cream here that I'm going to whip until it's nice and fluffy. I'm going to take it to the refrigerator, let it rest there, and now I am getting ready the tres leches mixture. Of course, I'm adding the condensed milk, I'm adding the evaporated milk, and I'm adding the cream. If you don't have this kind of cream, you could use sour cream. Of course, you're going to have all the ingredients in the description box. Don't forget to add your coconut extract to the tres leches. Let me tell you, this tres leches coconut cake comes out moist, delicious, and it's perfect for the holidays. Once this is done, we are going to take it to the refrigerator, and by this time we are removing the bread from the oven. Look at this. When you put a little stick inside and it comes out clean, then that means that the bread is completely done. Now we're going to start poking holes, a lot of holes, so that we could add the tres leches mixture, and the bread really absorbs all those amazing flavors. If you love your tres leches to be nice and moist, add everything in here. Add it in here, let it rest for an hour in the refrigerator. And when it's already rested for 1 hour, you're going to notice that all the milk has been absorbed into the bread. Look at this. Now I'm just going to add the heavy whipping cream that I whipped earlier. I'm going to add it right on the top. I'm going to cover the whole thing with the heavy whipping cream. The heavy whipping cream, the one I use already has sugar. So here I'm adding the dry flakes of the coconut. Look at this. I am sure that once you make this amazing Tres Leches coconut cake, you are going to continue enjoying it with a delicious coffee. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I can't wait to enjoy it and I can't wait to dig in. Look at this. Be very generous with your slices because I know that once you make it, this is going to be something that you're going to be preparing very often. It doesn't have to be Christmas time. It doesn't have to be Thanksgiving time. It doesn't even have to be holidays. Just make it and enjoy it like I enjoy it here with my family. I can't wait to enjoy it, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this Tres Leche Coco cake that I know you guys are really going to love. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It's really fluffy, really moist from the inside. And I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Oh my God. Really moist from the inside. The sweetness is just perfect. It's not overwhelming. The flavor of the cocoa, amazing. The holidays are here. Let's make this Tres Leche Coco cake at home. I hope my friends you enjoy this delicious recipe, Tres Leche Coco cake. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.